Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and if you are new, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I want to share with you guys how to make zucchini boats. It's so easy to make, and it's very low in carbs. It's great if you're following like a low carb lifestyle or keto lifestyle. You can tweak up some of the ingredients in there to your liking and to what you guys like. Okay, so let's get started on our zucchini boats. So we're gonna cook up the ground beef and some veggies. So you're just gonna want just a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add 4 cloves of garlic and a medium onion. I'm just gonna let that saute for a few minutes and we'll be right back. So I've got about a pound of regular ground beef. I'm going to mix some pork and ground beef. You guys can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you guys like. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, about a teaspoon of oregano and Italian, and half a teaspoon of pepper, some garlic salt, onion powder, salt, and some red, what do you call those? Hot flakes. So while that is still cooking, I am going to add in some green onions and 1 small red pepper. I'm going to combine those together. And let's get onto our zucchini boats. Okay, so you want to grab yourself as many zucchinis as you would like. I've got 4 here and I've already pre-washed them. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut them down the middle, even as you can. Just like so. And now from here, you're wanting to kind of make almost like a little cut on the inside so that you're able to scoop some meat in there. So I usually just outline it with a knife and then I just scoop it out with a spoon as best as I can without trying to go through it and ruining it. So you're really just trying to make like a little boat. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab yourself some pink Himalaya salt or any kind of salt that you guys have. What we're going to do is we're just going to try to dry out a little bit of the boats that we've got. So I've already carved them out. I am just going to put them on here for now, and then I am going to sprinkle some salt on here. then I'm just going to flip them upside down. We're gonna pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes while the rest of our meat cooks up. All right, so our meat is all cooked up. I'm just gonna drain some of this fat off of this and set that aside until our zucchini is out of the oven. Okay, so our zucchinis were in for about good 10-15 minutes. As you can see, it's helped lift some of the water out. What I like to do is I like to grab some paper towel and then pat them down. But first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit of some tomato sauce to the bottom of the pan here. I'm just using the Raoul's sauce. You can use any kind that you guys like. This is what I had on hand. And then I'm gonna take the zucchini, I'm just going to pat it down a little bit. Then I'm just gonna place them upwards. Hopefully I can fit all of these on here. I'm just going to add some mozzarella cheese just to the bottom of the boat here. I'm also going to add a little bit of some Parmesan shredded. Grab your ground beef mixture or whatever mixture you guys have on hand that you decided to make. Then you're just going to spoon some of it out. You're going to just start to place it inside of your boats. I'm gonna top it off with some of this Parmesan some mozzarella. More Parmesan. What I have left here, might as well use it all up. I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit some of this feta cheese. Alright, so we're just gonna pop that in at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. You guys, check out the zucchini boats. They are nicely done. They are still really hot. I just pulled it out of the oven, but look at that, guys. Yum. Give this a try. You guys will not be disappointed. We're gonna let that cool off and have some dinner. All right, everyone, that is how I made the zucchini boats. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Also, if you guys would like to see future videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and also leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys thought. Have yourselves all a wonderful day. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.